ways that we can continue providing meaningful entertainment, living out our social responsibility, and of course, giving a service of the world.
Atras mo daw po.
So from the bottom of
Sorry
our
ma'am. Atras daw
hearts,
po.
thank you very much to everyone. Cheers to 75 years.